Okay, these two problems are about collecting like radicals, but before we collect them, we need to simplify them. And we will simplify them according to the procedure we discussed in class. We need to break each radical in such a way that one factor is a perfect square number, another is a prime. So the right breakup for 20 is 4 by 5. Next radical we break as 9 and 5. And for 75, the arrangement will be 25, perfect square, and prime by 3. And the last one, 48, is 16 by 3. Then in our next line, we will keep our original coefficients and we will take out whatever we can, the square roots of perfect numbers. So it's 2, 5, 3, the old coefficient, and 3 comes out, keeping 5 inside the radical sign, plus 2, 5, 20, square root of 25 is 5, 3 is still there, plus 4, and 16, square root of 16 comes as 4, and 3. And now we need to multiply the coefficient, so that becomes 4 radical 3 minus 9 radical 5 plus 10 radical 3 plus 16 radical 3. And now we have, by the way, this is 5. Why I did put, I did not write it right, so it's 5 here, radical 5. So we have here radical 5. So now we have two terms with radical 5 and two terms with radical 3. So we will combine them. 4 radical 5 minus 9 radical 5 becomes negative 5 radical 5. And 10 radical 3 plus 16 radical 3 is 26 radical 3. 26 radical 3. And this becomes our final answer. We will do the same with the second problem. Here the best arrangement will be 64 perfect square by 2 plus 3. 18 we will break up as 9 and 2. 24, the only breakup, the right breakup is 4 by 6. And finally 54, we will break as 9 and 6. Now we will take out whatever we can. 8 radical 2 plus 3 and another 3. Square root of 9 is 3. 2. The original coefficient, the new coefficient, 6 is still under the radical sign, plus 4. 3 radical of 9 is 3, and 6 still there. So now we multiply, that stays unchanged, plus 9 radical 2 minus 4 radical 6 and plus 12 radical 6. Again, two pairs of like radicals. That becomes 17 radical 2, since 8 plus 9 is 17. And minus 4 plus 12 gives us plus 8 radical 6. And this is the final answer for this problem.